What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best selfie stick tripods in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. We've reached the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall selfie stick tripod available on the market in 2022. And the winner is Atumtek 3-in-1 Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod. This selfie stick has proven to be a good compromise between functionality, quality, and price. It allows you to have a selfie stick of 33 inches or about 80 centimeters. Along its functions, this model can be transformed into a stick to make a support for your smartphone, a popular solution for recording vlogs, for example. The device has a very practical detachable remote control for shooting photos in tripod mode. This stand is compatible with many smartphone models. Atumtek 3-in-1 Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod has found the right recipe that combines durability and compactness. Compared to other models, the design features of this product stand out. The rubberized feet in clean shape when folded make it easy to store in a bag or even a bit of a deeper pocket. We're looking at a strong telescopic arm with anodized coating and tripod legs supported by aluminum hinges, the most durable setup yet. This selfie stick with tripod option from Atumtek has taken your game to the next level. The device has a phone holder design and can rotate 270 degrees, while 180 degrees gives you the perfect angle when taking photos. Of course, we must not forget the Bluetooth remote control. It'll give you full control up to 33 feet. Also, you can continuously shoot up to 15,000 photos, thanks to the built-in lithium-ion battery that can be recycled and charged. Atumtek 3-in-1 Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod is very convenient to carry and super light. When retracted, it's only 7.7 inches long. Therefore, you can easily carry it in a small purse or your pocket. In addition, it provides you with universal compatibility, and you can also use the device as a holder for a desk phone, when watching TV shows, for direct internet transmission, and more. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.